Hey everyone, Warden here, Mike's Off-Road. Today we're looking at a 2013 Ram 1500. Done a lot of cool accessories to this truck, make it look good, lift it up. First thing we did to it, 3-inch rough country lift kit. Really nice kit, pretty simple to install. In the front comes with strut spacers and upper control arms. And in the rear it's got spring spacers to lift the whole body of the truck up a little bit. Really allows you to put on a bigger tire, put on a nicer wheel, lifts the truck up, makes it nice and level, makes it look really good. Drives really nice down the road, and it goes really well with these bumpers that we put on. We got front and rear bumpers, Fab 4 red steel bumpers. These are a really nice option for these trucks. They look really good. They're simple, they got nice clean lines. You can mount a winch in the front. We got a Warn VR 10S winch, a 10,000 pound winch. One of the really cool things about it is they're all wireless, so you get stuck in some trouble, maybe you're in some deep snow or some deep mud, you can't get directly to your winch. You got the wireless remote, you can operate it from a ways away, so that's really nice. So right now you might notice that the wheels and tires on this are stock, and the reason for that, obviously it's winter in Montana, you want the better traction, but this is a setup that will really allow you to put on a nicer wheel, a bigger tire, get that more aggressive look during the summer, during the fall and the spring, really allow you to make the truck really pop. So come on down to Mike's Off-Road for any accessories you might need, bumpers, lift kits, wheels and tires. We can put it on for you and get you going down the road looking good.